Well, now let me tell you about Rudolph. It all started a couple of years before the big snow. It was springtime, and Santa's lead reindeer, Donner, had just become a proud papa. And so time passes, Christmas comes and goes on schedule, and soon it is April. That's when all the new fawns come out with their folks to meet the other new fawns and to be inspected by Santa. Ah, youth. Meanwhile, the elves are bustling with activity. Christmas is over, but they still keep busy with lessons and health improvement. Oh, where was I? Their last chance. Not quite. You see, ever since Rudolph left them, Hermie and Yukon Cornelius had been trying to find their friend. Well, they arrived in Christmastown just as the storm hit. And it was a good thing that I sent them right out after Rudolph.
Folks, the big iced tea taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiane. In Atlanta, it's Louisiane over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiane. Louisiane's secret? Louisiane just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiane preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
Gee, I guess we haven't any. Gosh, I haven't any. I better be going. How do you get to the Castle of Names? Look, we have names. Yours is Raggedy Ann, and mine is Andy. Gee, I guess we haven't any. Gosh, I haven't any. I better be going. How do you get to the Castle of Names? Look, we have names. Yours is Raggedy Ann, and mine is Andy.